Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain what is LangChain and why it is so popular in AI community nowadays. So first, let's find out what is LangChain. LangChain is a powerful framework for building an AI application using LLM. So for example, you want to build a chatbot application for your company, for your organization. So you will be using a LangChain API, and along with that, you will be using a vector database and some external API as well to fetch those data. So to integrate all these different component, your LLM and then your vector database and any external APIs, so for that's where LangChain come into picture, and it will make your application development process very smooth. So there are some key benefits using LangChain. First of all, it is easy to integrate. As I said, while creating your AI application, you will be integrating different component. So using LangChain, it is very easy to integrate those. Then second number is modularity. So each component, your LLM or your vector database or any external integration you are doing in your application, so each component will be modular. You can replace either today you are using one vector store, tomorrow you can replace any other. And there are other benefit like easy to monitor, deploy and evaluate. So I can show one diagram to understand. So LangChain has open source their framework LangChain, and along with that they have LangGraph, another framework. So we'll discuss this in another video. So they have LangChain, and then they have other component like vector store or other component to easy to integrate with your application. And they have another service that's called LangSmith that will be used for debugging and monitoring and evaluating your LLM application performance. And even they have created framework like LangServe to directly deploy your application as a REST API or any other form of API. You can do that. So they have a proper ecosystem to build your application. So let's look at a few example how it is better if you go with the LangChain, how it is better compared to like going with any other, like directly using the OpenAI library. So in this example already I have installed LangChain, and along with that here you can see I'm going to show the demo with two LLM. One will be OpenAI and another one is Google Generative AI. So LangChain has library for both, so just need to install that. So I have already installed, and for both you need to have API key. So already I have added those API key in environment variable. So first I will run this one. So it is everything imported. So I'm going to first show you using one LLM. So here you can see just I have imported chat OpenAI and then mention the model, and you got the LLM, and directly you can interact with that. So let me call that, and here I got the response. Capital of India is New Delhi. Now let's say you want to use any other LLM. Let's say I want to go with the Google Generative AI. So just you need to replace this piece of code. Instead of this, I will go with this library, and now you got your Google Generative LLM, and you don't need to, wherever you are writing your code, wherever you are calling that LLM, you don't need to change anything. And here you can see now I'm using generative AI, Google Generative AI model Gemini Pro instead of GPT for Omni. So another example I will take. So most of the time we need to write a prompt, and in prompt there will be some variable as well. So few thing will be decided, and few part will be variable. Here you can see. So I want to have this prompt, and then this prompt will be given to LLM, and then I want to get some joke, whatever topic I will be providing. So topic will be dynamic. So here you can see already LangChain has created a prompt template. Just get that, and here I have added few extra piece of code, so you don't need to worry about that. For now you can see. So here I'm passing that topic dynamically. So I will run this import. So prompt template is imported. Next one. So I will run this, and what it is going to do, it is going to pass this topic to this prompt template, and already I have LLM defined at the top. So currently I'm using Gemini Pro. So this template will be first, this topic will be added in this one. So it will replace the topic, and then this prompt will be given to LLM, and at the end we'll get the response. So let me call this one. Okay, so I got the response, and currently it is using Gemini Pro. So let's say you want to switch from Gemini Pro to some other LLM. For this example, I have Gemini, instead of Gemini I have another option to switch to GPT-4 Omni. So I will switch to this one. Now if I call again, so you can see here nothing is changing. Whatever prompt, whatever code you have written for your prompt template, and the way you are invoking, so nothing is changing, just a piece of code is changing, and I can switch from one LLM to another LLM. So this is the power of this LangChain. It is giving you full modularity. Every piece of code is modular, so whatever you want to tweak, you can do that. So let me call this one. Now it is using GPT-4 Omni, and I got the response. So this is the power of LangChain, and using LangChain you can build your LLM application very easy, and you will not be dependent to any specific LLM library. Let's say if you are going with the OpenAI, so you will not be stuck with the specific structure or way defined by OpenAI. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to the channel for more such video.